Now let us discuss what is social change, what are the factors of social change, and what is the impact of social change. So, what is social change? Social change means any types of modification, any type of alteration in any social organization or structure and its function. So in any suppose in educational in an educational office, there a change have been occurred regarding the all members. So suppose punching system implemented, then it is a social change. So any type of modification, any types of alteration in any social structure or its function is called a social change. Now let us discuss what are the factors which leading to a change in social structure. First one, biological factor. For example, if population increased, there will be some social change because all need food, shelter, education, social welfare schemes. So it may create a social change. Second one, geographical factors. Suppose tsunami occurred in 2014. So there was a social change in those areas, tsunami hit areas, because it is a natural disaster. So when a geographical change occurs, for example, the climate change, when a climate change occurs, there will be some problems in the society. It will affect the all human beings, all animals, all plants. So it is called geographical factor. Third one, technological factor. We know this is cyber era. This is the era of internet. Many changes have been occurring in all spheres. It is the technological factor. Fourth one, the socio-cultural factor. Suppose a social reform is emerged in our society, he will make some changes in the society. Like Rajaram Mohan Roy, he abolished the sati with the help of British in 1829. It was a social reform. Using this social reform, there was a socio-cultural change. It is called a social change. Now let us discuss impact of social change. There are many impacts of the social change. According to Karl Marx, when the industrialization came, the labor workers were alienated. They were kept away from the product produced by them. They only got mean wage. So, according to Karl Marx, industrialization alienated the laborers from the force, from their real self. But according to F. Tönnies and Weber, industrialization affected the human relations because the money was the sole aim of industrialization. So it affected the human relationships. But Emile Durkheim hold the view that actually division of labor in the industrialization has a positive change in the society. It accelerated the production, and there are many changes which brought about social change. The joint family system collapsed, the traditional agriculture collapsed, cottaging industries collapsed, the mental conflict have been increasing, and the traditional agrarian structure was deep rooted, outrooted.